BT YouView boxes are experiencing widespread fast-forward issues in 2025. These problems are particularly affecting users with delayed responses, stuttering playback, and complete freezing during navigation. The issues are most common on older Humax models, specifically the DTRT 2100 and DTRT 4000 series. These models are showing signs of hardware aging and software limitations. The fast-forward issues stem from three primary root causes. Memory management problems include insufficient RAM allocation and memory leaks. Network connectivity issues involve bandwidth limitations and DNS delays. Hardware degradation affects older units through hard drive wear and overheating. The first troubleshooting step is a power cycle reset. Unplug your YouView box for at least 30 seconds, then hold the power button for 10 seconds while it remains unplugged. This process resolves temporary glitches in approximately 60% of cases. Step 2 focuses on remote control optimization. Replace batteries with high-quality alkaline cells for consistent power. Clean the infrared sensor with a soft cloth to remove dust buildup. Ensure a clear line of sight between the remote and box within a 6-meter range. The third step enhances network connectivity. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stable performance. Ensure your internet connection provides at least 10 megabits per second download speed. Configure quality of service settings on your router to prioritize YouView traffic over other devices. These three immediate troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of BT YouView fast-forward issues. Power cycling resolves 60% of temporary glitches, remote optimization improves response times, and network enhancement reduces stuttering playback. If problems persist after trying these solutions, more advanced troubleshooting methods may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your BT YouView fast-forward issues, advanced solutions can provide more comprehensive fixes with higher success rates. The factory reset is the most powerful solution, successfully resolving persistent problems in approximately 80% of cases. This process rebuilds system files and clears corrupted data. Storage management is crucial for optimal performance. Delete recordings older than 30 days and maintain at least 20% free space. The system automatically performs defragmentation during standby periods. Firmware updates are essential for receiving the latest fixes and improvements. The current v4.8.x series released in 2025 includes significant performance optimizations for fast-forward functionality. Prevention is better than cure. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep your YouView box running smoothly and prevent issues before they occur. Environmental factors significantly impact performance. Ensure adequate ventilation with at least 10 centimeters clearance. Avoid direct sunlight and use surge protection to prevent electrical damage. The future of BT YouView technology is rapidly evolving. BT is transitioning to IP-based systems and cloud DVR integration, which will reduce reliance on local hardware and significantly improve performance. Next-generation YouView boxes will feature faster ARM-based processors with dedicated video processing units, solid-state drives replacing traditional hard drives, and enhanced remote technologies including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct connectivity. These advanced solutions, combined with proper maintenance and awareness of future developments, will ensure your BT YouView experience remains smooth and reliable for years to come.